I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you've accidentally deleted important emails from your Hotmail account, don't worry. Here is how you can recover them. Step 1. Log into your Hotmail account. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Hotmail sign-in page. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Step 2. Go to the Deleted Items folder. Once you're logged in, look for the Deleted Items folder in the left sidebar. Click on it to view all emails that have been deleted recently. Step 3. Check for recoverable emails. In the Deleted Items folder, check if the emails you want to recover are listed. If they are, select them by clicking the checkbox next to each email. Step 4. Restore selected emails. After selecting the emails, look for the Move to option at the top of the page. Click it and choose Inbox or another folder to restore your emails. Step 5. Use the Recover Deleted Items option. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the Account Recovery Checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, if you delete emails from the Deleted Items folder, they may be permanently lost after 30 days. So, always check your Deleted Items folder first. I hope this helps you recover your important emails. Happy emailing!